declarative sentence or a statement. So it starts with a big letter. The sentence starts with a big letter, Mary, and ends with a full stop like this. Okay, I will circle first. Okay, I will do it first. Okay, can you do it? No. Find something which is obvious. Go, circle the full stop. Circle the full stop. Good job. Circle the capital letter. Go, capital letter T. No. This one is for the number. Capital T. It starts with a big letter. Good job. Okay. The leaf is green. This is a statement. I like chocolates. The flower is pretty. Okay, so these are just examples. Okay? I am pretty. I'm